Ever wondered how to make your money stretch further when you're globetrotting? Specifically, do Westpac have a travel card that can help you with overseas spending? It's a common question, and one that could save you a surprising amount in fees and unfavorable exchange rates. Let's dive in and unpack Westpac's options for your next adventure. Westpac's travel money options. The short answer is yes, Westpac does offer a travel card, and it's called the Westpac Worldwide Wallet. But it's not their only solution for international spending. They actually provide a few different ways to manage your money abroad, each with its own benefits. The Worldwide Wallet is a prepaid multi-currency travel card. Think of it like a digital wallet where you can load Australian dollars and then convert them into various foreign currencies before you travel. This is a huge advantage because it allows you to lock in exchange rates when they're favorable, protecting you from currency fluctuations during your trip. You can hold up to 10 different currencies on the card, including major ones like USD, Euro, GBP, JPY, and NZD. One of the big perks of the Worldwide Wallet is its fee structure. There are no load, reload, or unload fees, and you can enjoy fee-free ATM withdrawals at Westpac Group ATMs and over 50,000 global ATM Alliance ATMs worldwide. Plus, if you spend in a currency you've preloaded, you'll avoid foreign transaction fees. It's a MasterCard, so it's widely accepted globally. Beyond the Worldwide Wallet. While the Worldwide Wallet is Westpac's dedicated travel card, it's worth noting other ways Westpac can assist with your travel money. Debit cards. Your standard Westpac debit MasterCard can also be used overseas. While convenient, be aware that foreign transaction fees and ATM withdrawal fees, outside of Global ATM Alliance, might apply. Credit cards. Westpac offers a range of credit cards, some of which come with excellent travel benefits like complimentary travel insurance, airport lounge access, and rewards points that can be redeemed for flights and accommodation. However, credit cards can also incur foreign transaction fees and cash advance fees if you withdraw money. Key considerations for your trip. No matter which Westpac option you lean towards, here are a few important things to remember for seamless international spending. Notify Westpac of your travel plans. Always let your bank know you're going overseas. This helps prevent your card from being flagged for suspicious activity and potentially blocked. Understand the fees. While the Worldwide Wallet aims to minimize fees, it's crucial to be aware of any charges that might apply, especially if you're using it in a currency not loaded on the card or at non-Global Alliance ATMs. Have a backup plan. It's always a good idea to have more than one way to access your funds. Consider a combination of a travel card, a debit card, and perhaps a small amount of local cash for emergencies. Manage your card online. Westpac's online banking and app allow you to manage your Worldwide Wallet, check balances, and convert currencies on the go. This gives you great control while you're abroad. Westpac definitely provides a solid option with their Worldwide Wallet, aiming to make your international adventures financially smoother. With said, thanks for watching and until next time.